Hello guys, so we are back with another video, and yes, Roman Reigns sends a warning ahead of WWE's return. So Roman Reigns is scheduled to make his highly anticipated return to television just in time for WrestleMania 41 as the road to the biggest event of the year gets closer. Now we have not seen Roman Reigns since the Royal Rumble. Following his elimination from the Royal Rumble and his subsequent attack by Seth Rollins, Reigns has been absent from WWE television, a strategic move within the storyline. This absence, however, to be drawing to a close. The storyline was designed to keep Reigns strong, preventing him from suffering a loss within Elimination Chamber match. It also increased anticipation for his triple threat at WrestleMania, where he is expected to face both Rollins and CM Punk. While the precise date of his return remains undisclosed, it's widely expected that Roman Reigns will appear on WWE programming prior to WrestleMania, adding to the anticipation. WWE has officially announced Roman Reigns' scheduled appearance on the March 21st and 20th episode of SmackDown. Furthermore, Roman Reigns himself has taken to social media to communicate his intentions, offering glimpse into his mindset and further flowing speculations about his impending return. He wrote, "Greatness is coming to Bulgaria and London. Your tribal chief has to attend business. Receipts are coming." So, yes, there you go. Roman Reigns is scheduled to return to SmackDown. This will add fuel to the fire when he faces CM Punk and Seth Rollins at WrestleMania. And granted, this is a strategic move by WWE to keep Roman Reigns out of the chamber, because we have not seen Roman since the Royal Rumble and his attack by Seth Rollins, and we don't know what the tribal chief says about the receipts are coming, but eventually we will find out on the March 21st and 28th edition of SmackDown, where he is scheduled to return. And I'm super duper excited with the tribal chief returning. And also, this will be accumulate to a match between Roman Reigns, CM Punk, and Seth Rollins. Because remember, two of the Shield guys were mercenaries for CM Punk. Like I said before, CM Punk was responsible for for building the Shield, and now the two Shield guys, Rollins and Reigns, want revenge on CM Punk for what CM Punk did to the Royal Rumble, eliminating both Rollins and Reigns at the Rumble. Now we will see, is this the favor that CM Punk wants or asked to Paul Heyman? And like I said before, we don't know what the favor CM Punk wants with Paul Heyman. But who knows, man? We will find out soon enough. So what do you think about this Roman Reigns return on March 21st and 28th? Let me know in the comments below. And for more wrestling news, gaming news, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and follow me on TikTok, guys. Peace out.